Hey, welcome back to Studio 3. Joining us from West Virginia American Water is Senior Manager Megan Hanna. Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you so much for having me, Susan. I'm really excited to be back on Studio 3 today.
Great. So what are you going to show us here?
Right. So last week, my coworker Bradley was here with Taylor showing our new customer advisory map, and we had such great feedback on that. We wanted to show another feature for our customers, which is our infrastructure upgrade map. So we're starting here on our homepage. This is westvirginiaamwater.com. And if you navigate right over here to this infrastructure upgrade map, you'll see that right there on the home page. This is a feature that we've had available for our customers since about 2017. And if we keep scrolling down, you'll see years and years worth of infrastructure upgrade projects, but we'll scroll right here to the 2022 projects that we have going on. So right here from this home screen, you'll see we currently have 19 infrastructure upgrade projects in progress, which is totaling about $5.8 million. Now, we expect to do about 50 to 60 infrastructure upgrade projects this year all across our service area, and we expect this total to get somewhere up around $20 million this year in projects that we'll do. Now, this map is interactive, so we'll just scroll in here, and we're going to go into one project that we've got going on here in the Hillsdale area of Charleston. So you'll see you can scroll right into your neighborhood. So customers that might have a project going on in their neighborhood, they can scroll right in and see a variety of projects. So here in the Hillsdale area, we're going to be doing about 8,000 feet of pipe this year, upgrading 8,000 feet of pipe for approximately 400 customers in this area. It'll end up being about 6 different projects, but you'll see that you can click on any one of these projects and see, for instance, we're spending about $611,000 on this project, and typically you should be able to click in there and see, traffic impacts that will be happening, estimate on the type of pipe that's being replaced, length of pipe that's being replaced, and that type of thing. So again, this project that's happening here is about $265,000, and you can just kind of click around and see all the different projects that we have going on. And like I said, it's interactive, so you can kind of scroll in and out, see different things that are happening in the area, scroll over to all the different types of projects and see how we're investing in upgrading our system all across our service areas.
That is a great idea.
Yeah.
That way you kind of find out why are the trucks in your neighborhood?
Exactly.
What's going on? Is it going to change the way I drive to work or the grocery store?
Exactly. And we do have all those traffic impacts on there. So when we're not on a giant screen, when you're on your phone or on your desktop, you'll actually be able to see what those traffic impacts are. If we have flaggers in the area, lights, if we're down to alternating lanes or single lane traffic. So all that information is really helpful for our customers and really helpful if you're planning a trip to the area or things like that. You can see all the types of projects that we have going on. We just started construction season. Next week is National Infrastructure Week, so we're going to be sharing a lot of different projects next week, all the different types of things that we have going on. But again, we'll see this project count. Right now it's showing about 19 projects. When we zoom out far enough, you'll see that there's about 19 projects. If we just keep going, there we go. So we have about 19 projects currently in progress. This is all the projects that you'll see currently going on in the state, but we expect that number to get up around 50 to 60 projects this year. And again, that's going to be happening all across our service area. Huntington, Charleston, up in our northern operating area, which is Weston, down to the Bluefield, Princeton area as well. So lots of great projects going on. And again, it's all about transparency and making sure our customers know how we're taking their water bill, investing that back into new pipe in the ground to keep that service flowing.
You can find it all out there. And for those who still like the old-fashioned way, can they pick up the phone if they have a concern or an outage or anything?
Absolutely. Great question, Susan. So yes, absolutely. WestVirginiaAMWater.com is our website. All of our service alerts, advisories, this map is there. But if customers have questions and want to pick up the phone, 1-800-685-8660. You can call anytime, 24/7, and we are happy to answer those calls and help customers to navigate, ins and outs of alerts and that type of thing.
Great.
Absolutely.
Great. Well, it looks like you all are going to have a busy year.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to it, hoping for really great construction weather. And I have to say, our contractors do a fantastic job. The folks that we have actually out there in the field of notifying customers in the area, residents, neighbors, when we're in their area, they're knocking on doors and making sure that, those folks know those projects too. So really great customer service there on those projects. But for anyone in the area who's interested, we are always keeping this infrastructure upgrade map updated so you can see in real real time how those dollars are being invested back into new pipe in the ground.
Very cool. Yeah. Megan, thanks so much for stopping in and sharing this with us
Thank
today.
you for having me. Really appreciate it, Susan.
All righty.